What's up, guys? It is June 22nd, 2026. Today's daily trade recap. We caught the longs before all-time highs, and then we got out before the short dump. So, yeah, really good day today. Over $1,000 on the day. But, yeah, let's get into the bias, first of all. All right, so bias coming into it. 4-hour time frame. What I wanted to see happen was I wanted to maybe see an SMT at all-time highs with ES and NQ, but we never did get the all-time highs happen and take the shorts. So yeah, let's go to the 1 hour. On the 1 hour time frame, we have these two 1 hour variety gaps that price was respecting before. We tapped in, then we tapped out. We tapped into this other 1 hour variety gap over here on this all-time highs run. So we left this 1 hour and we created equal highs, but that's before the trade, or that's after the trade. So right now, what I'm seeing, we have my if this then that. We have if price taps into this 1 hour for value gap, I want to see it sweep London lows and I want to see it take higher to all-time highs, right? So come into the 15-minute. Actually, no, we'll just go to 9:30. All right, coming into 9:30 on the day. What do we do at 9:30? Well, 9:30 opens up. We open up. That's 9:30, right? Yeah, 9:30 opens up. We come in. We tap into the 1 hour inverse for value gap, and then we retest out. After retesting, there was a 5-minute gap here that I might want to see get respected, but that got ran through instantly. But we did have this 15-minute value gap right here at the top of this low resistance liquidity. So what I thought was going to happen was there are two scenarios. Price is either going to tap off this 15, tap the 1 hour, then sweep everything, which is what we did, or price is going to tap the 15 and go all-time highs and make a long run, which is now what happened. That was the first option. But we got the entry off the 15. So price taps into the 15-minute. We leave a big leg down. We get two 1-minute inverse variety gaps. There's no 2-minute. There's no 3-minute. Wait, is there 2-minute? I don't think there is. Yeah, there's no 2-minute, no 3-minute, no 4, no 5 minutes. So we just have the 1 minute. Sorry, it's 8. On the 1 minute, we have two inverse variety gaps right here. You can see two inverse variety gaps right here. So I want to see price sweep both of them before I can enter longs, right? I need my full confirmation. That's my strategy. That's how I have a high win rate, right? So I want to see price fully close both of them. Price closes both of them on this candle, one candle. We get a super strong, healthy candle to the upside, right? So I think this was, oh shit, the fuck did I just do? Yeah. All right. How big was this candle? It was like 50. Yeah, okay. So we have a 70-point candle to the upside, pushing all-time highs, and this 1 hour Friday gap. Well, win. Why did you not take longs to the 1 hour to the all-time highs? Why did you stop at this leg right here? Well, there was this 1 hour inverse value gap, which price did respect off of. So I didn't want to risk taking all-time highs while this 1 hour could still reject down, which is exactly what happened. So we take our 1-on-1. I put my stop loss at the bottom of the 80-point or the 60-point candle leg. I just take a 1-to-1 to these highs up here. I went break even as soon as we tapped into the 1 hour, just in case we get the retrace down. I wanted to be safe. But yeah, we closed this in about 3 candles. Super easy day. And then we have this huge short move. I know some people caught that. I was under the impression I liked longs better. We did have confluences lower, but I knew that we'd either have to tap an all-time highs or at least retest this 1 hour inverse value up again before we started taking out the lows, like this low resistance, London lows, Asia lows, and I think there was sell-side liquidity down here somewhere. Yeah, and we have sell-side liquidity. So pretty easy day, not too hard, but yeah, I mean, it was lucky A+ longs, banged over for over 1,000, so that's 5 winning days in a row. It's looking good, but if you guys got any questions, leave them down in the comments. If you want to join the Discord, also leave them in the comments. I'll send you guys an invite, but appreciate you for watching.